Hi guys, and welcome to today's live trading analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on PVR Inox. So I'll be discussing about today's intraday trade, what I have done today, and also we'll be looking at Nifty 50 analysis and the index analysis, how the market has performed for the day and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And we traded without any indicators. Okay, so today I have traded on PVR Inox. So as you guys can see here, according to my study and the strategy, this stock was a buy around 1355. Okay, so around 9:25 a.m. is where I bought this stock, around 1355, according to my study and the strategy without using any indicators. It's a simple and unique strategy. Okay, so I bought it at 1355 and I kept my target up to 6 to 7 points and it was hit within 10 minutes. Okay, so here you can see the stock has made high of 1367 almost here around 10 o'clock. Okay, and as you guys can see, today's the highest point what it has made was around 1385, and today it was closed around 1381. So for the whole day the stock has moved according to our study and the strategy. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done today on the PVR Inox. So I bought it around 1355 and I kept my point 5% of target. Okay, and the target as achieved. Okay, so this was a very simple trade what I have done for the day. So if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit like this, if you are a beginner or if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the technique of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. Okay, and also the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me and to learn to be a consistent profitable trader from today. You can also just go inside my channel and watch a lot of intraday trading videos with a lot of educational videos what I've uploaded from almost 6 to 7 years plus. Okay, so now let's talk about Nifty 50, how it has performed for the day. So firstly, if you see how the market has opened for the day, it has opened at 0.11% up, advances were 39, decreases were 9, and unchanged were 2 stocks. It opened at 23,283. So after opening from there, you can see the market has actually gone up for the day. Okay, so it has gone up almost till 2 o'clock, but after 2 o'clock you can see the market made resistance around 23390, and from there the market has come down and it has closed at 23264. So the market has not given much of a movement towards the buying side also or selling side also. So the closing time it has closed where it had opened for the day. So this was the range what the market has traded for the day. So yes, at the beginning the market has gone up till afternoon 2 o'clock, and from there it has reversed. Whatever the move it has given, whatever the gain it has given, it just got declined and it has closed at where it has opened exactly in today's morning price. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 performed for the day. Okay, and now let's check how the indices has been performed for the day. So almost a normal kind of performance in all the indices, but the most gaining indices was Nifty Media with 1.75% up, and you can see the declining indices was Nifty Healthcare with 0.50% down. Okay, and all the other indices are normal movement. Okay, so yes, so this was the trade what I have done today. So yes, in intraday trading you have to know your correct entry and exit and all these things. So if you know all these things perfectly, then you can manage to do a good trades. So to learn all these things about stock selection and how to find the correct entry and exit and everything, you can join us today. I'll be guiding you all these things, and also you will be getting the live market personal support as well. Okay, so you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.